Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about crypto commissions. Now this is the latest product from SKYPE, due to be released on April the 26th at 10 AM Eastern. Now this is a very similar product to many other products that Glyn has released. Same interface, same look and feel, same OTOs, everything's the same. The only thing now is they're jumping on the crypto commissions trend and selling you affiliate sites that are basically advertising various cryptocurrency marketplaces. So we'll go through this in detail. We'll go into the members area, I'll show you around here, and then we'll take you through the sales page as usual. I'll take you through the OTOs so you know exactly what you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase this product. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the aim of the reviews is to give you just a little bit more information before you go ahead and purchase any kind of products and services online. If you haven't been over to it before, just take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you go to the School of Nomads, you'll find the link in the description below. I have some free training there for you that'll teach you how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, step by step. So this is the world's first crypto and Bitcoin traffic solution. It's not. There's some products by Dan Green have been released just very recently with this, so it's not the first. There's one of, to be honest, thousands of these types of products. You're going to get traffic in 60 seconds flat. It's 100% done for you cryptocurrency affiliate sites with free buyer traffic from 100 million visitors. This is the piece I'm going to concentrate on. This it's designed for beginners. So let's go ahead and jump straight in, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So this is the usual dashboard they have on every single SKYPE product. The only thing that changes is the content of the page builder that they actually provide. All of these are your various OTOs that you can go ahead and purchase. These never ever change in each of the products. Completely unrelated in most cases to the product itself. They just give you the same ones every time. This is the overall dashboard. Nothing much to this actual dashboard. And let's just go to the tutorials. This is where kind of all of the information is in these tutorials. So they take you through exactly what the tutorials are, and this is the website that you're going to produce. So basically it's just a whole load of adverts and banners and various other types of ads over to various cryptocurrency sites. So these are crypto trading sites. Some of these are actually affiliate sites of other crypto trading sites. It's kind of a very interesting kind of network they're setting up on the cryptocurrency. Now the first thing, if you see up here, there's a little banner here with the existing prices of various types of cryptocurrency. Now I'm not a cryptocurrency expert, guys, so this has got nothing to do with the validity of trading cryptocurrency. The only thing I know for sure is it's a massive gamble for 99% of people that ever start it. You've got to understand exactly what you're doing. It's just like anything in the stock market. If you don't understand anything about cryptocurrency, you need to keep away from it because the market is so volatile. But what you do is you go ahead and the first thing you do is you set up the cryptocurrency kind of banner here where all of this information is. So you need to get an API. So you need to come over to this site called CoinMarketCap. And if you look at their pricing, their free version has actually got the data endpoints that you can go ahead and get. So what they've done is they've set this up so that it'll come and it'll use the data from this over on your own site. So you get 9 market data endpoints. So 9 different types of cryptocurrency. There's 10,000 call credits per month. You're not going to ping the API more than 10,000 times. No historical data, which I think is very odd, and then personal use. So this is what you're signing up for when you go ahead and get the API from here. And then you have to go ahead and join all of these different trading platforms. So this is join Coinbase, which is pretty much the biggest trading platform. You need to go ahead and join these affiliate programs of each of these platforms. They've all got their own individual joining rules. You need to provide things like websites, all of these types of usual things for these types of platforms. And interestingly enough, each one of these, you can't see this, is an affiliate link from the vendor themselves. So as soon as you come and join here, if you go ahead and spend any money with these guys, they go ahead and get a commission. So it's a good cash grab from them. Then whoever joins each one of these, they'll end up getting a slice of whatever they make on the particular platform. So this is joined BFI, again block BFI. If I look for the affiliate, refer the partners here, again this is an affiliate link, guys. If I go ahead and look at the partner here and become an affiliate, this one takes me straight back to Coinbase. So again, that is an affiliate site for Coinbase. join Binance, whatever that is. You go ahead and do your own free account, and you have to go and join these. Join Parallel Miner. This is their own affiliate program. You go ahead and join this. So you need to join all of these to get the links, because inside your page then you're going to use all of these different links and the different adverts. The next thing is you need to integrate your autoresponder, and there is a sign up page on the site for your autoresponder. No real kind of discussion or tutorial about what to do with that once you have those folks in your autoresponder. So if you're a complete newbie, you'll have no idea what you're doing there. And then there's a piece here about changing articles. Now you need to go and change all of the articles in these sites, and I'll show you a reason why now once we go through this review, because none of them are unique. They're just being taken from totally different sources. So they've got no SEO, although somebody on the sales page just say that this has got SEO built in. These sites, because they're part of their main crypto page sites, and you're just going to be creating a subdomain, will have no ranking whatsoever. Nobody's going to ever see these sites unless you actually provide the link to them, which is a big problem with any of these types of sites. There's no organic traffic at all going to come over here. There is some more tutorials about how to create ads and how to use their upgrades, and then there's a bonus builder that they always chuck in. So that's the tutorials. Now if I just go to the various ads, you can go and just create your ads. You can add images here and just add an affiliate link to each of these ads. So this is where each of the kind of images is that you can add, and then you put your affiliate link within this. Once I edit this, you'll be able to put your affiliate link in that you've just applied for in those sites, and that will be the affiliate link that once someone clicks over, then you'll get a commission. So this is where all your affiliate links go. Come over to the articles. This is all the different articles that you can put in. You can get these images. None of these images are unique. You can get these articles and actually just use these articles in your own site, or you need to go ahead and create new, and it's just a case of plugging an image in and then just getting some information and using this to create your article. You can have a banner ad, you can have side ads, you can add whatever you want as far as the article is concerned. Now what I was saying about the SEO, if I come over to my plagiarism checker, this is just one of the articles. I checked the plagiarism on this, and you can see it's 98% plagiarized, and you can see it's coming from things like eToro.com. You got one here from Facebook, you got more from eToro, a little bit more from Capital Works, Limo. You know, they're just coming from all different places. So they've had some kind of article spinner on here, and they've just taken a bunch of articles and spun them. So none of those articles are going to be any good. You need to get rid of all of them if you're going to use this site, because none of them are unique, unless you're going to use this as a standalone site where you don't expect anybody to come over to this site organically. So there's your articles. If we go over to the site settings, again, this is where you actually build your site. This is what the site would look like. Lots of places to click on here, and just basically a bunch of adverts for various types of cryptocurrency. So people expect you to come along and start clicking on all of these different adverts, and then you would make money. So that's kind of the product in all, guys. And really, once I get to the traffic piece, it's the same thing I say about every one of these products. The traffic has not changed whatsoever. These are free. This says free traffic section here, but there is always an advert here from. He says he'll send you 50 clicks from his rotator. There is a registered for affiliate traffic lab here, which is a very, very poor product that allows you to take portions of a sales page and turn them into a video, and you're supposed to upload them to YouTube and rank. You'll never rank for any of them. Viral Newsjacker is a product, again, very much like this. It's just a standalone page, no SEO factors it, so it's never going to get you any traffic. And the free traffic training is here. You can get traffic training from Triple Traffic Bots, which isn't really traffic training, is it? There's your traffic, download your free traffic guide there, which is a very simple ebook, and then access their product vault, and you've got zero cost business startup guide. I mean, more ebooks there. So you've got traffic upgrades here. Now these traffic upgrades are interesting. Again, never changes between products. It's always the same thing. This is an advert for a different product that they've got. This one there, click here for the 2020 Traffic Rolodex, is an ebook, and it was actually made in Traffic Source in 2017. So all of these are very old ebooks, and they will have some valid information in here, guys. I mean, free traffic's free traffic. You can get it from social media, you can get it from YouTube, you can get it from blogging, lots of different ways to get free traffic, and it takes time, which is why they kind of push the paid traffic sources on you when they look at some of these other traffic methods that they've got. So guys, in short, as far as the members area is concerned, everything works on this members area. There's nothing really wrong with that. The issue I have with these types of products is that you're going to have a lot of problem getting traffic over to them unless you have a pay for traffic using things like solo ads or Bing ads or Google ads or YouTube ads, which can get very expensive for you as a newbie if you don't know what you're doing, because you can't guarantee ever making a sale with paid traffic. It's more about building leads. And if you use free traffic, you're going to struggle to get people over to this site. It doesn't matter what the topic is. I know this might sound cool because it's crypto commissions, but the issues will remain for you as a newbie that you don't know how to set this up yourself. So you end up buying into some kind of done for you page where you'll build everything and then nobody will come to it. So guys, as far as 60 seconds flat, none of that takes 60 seconds to actually do. And the 100% done for you cryptocurrency affiliate sites, yes, they can be done for you, obviously. So the information is there for you to go ahead and build that site. That's no real problem with that. But this free buyer traffic from 100 million visitors, you're not going to get free buyer traffic over to these sites unless you've got a big social media following and you can go ahead and share these links. You're not going to get it. So guys, I just jump right down to the bottom of the page. I'm not going to go through all of the testimonials and all of the financial proof. All of it's made up and it's just graphics at the end of the day. But if you just jump down here, apparently you're going to get $14,464 worth of software here today for a one-time $17. Why would they expect anybody to actually believe that that is a real value for this information? Who would sell that for $17? The best thing about this, guys, is apparently you've got a 180-day money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead and get your money back if you don't get any kind of traffic over to these sites. So just a quick overview of the funnel. The OTO1, which is the unlimited version, I'm not quite sure what's different on the unlimited version. At the end of the day, all you're doing is going and getting affiliate links from various sites and plugging them into this page. There is nothing else unlimited about it. That's 67 to 40, down to $47. OTO2 is 100% done for you, $97 down to $67. OTO3 is unlimited traffic. Now, if they could get unlimited traffic, they would never need an affiliate to sell one of their products. They'd just be able to sell it themselves. They'd never need to pay 50% commission to other affiliates to sell it, so that's obviously not real. $97 down to $67. Automation edition is $67 down to $47. ATM edition is $67 down to $37, and the license rights are $197 down to $97. So guys, I hope you found that useful. I'm going to give this a 4 out of 10 because the software works. At the end of the day, I know this is a trending topic now. This is cryptocurrency. It's very sexy. Everyone wants to jump on board. They've got some nice numbers in here that you can go ahead and get for free. But at the end of the day, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, then it is going to be a very, very competitive market to get into. And these sites like this are never going to rank organically on Google. You're going to have to spread these links out to anybody for them to come over and click your site, and then you get lucky enough that they'll go off and join up with one of these other marketplaces. So guys, I think you're going to struggle with this. If you don't and you make sales with this, I'd love to hear about it. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. But just for now, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll be able to let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're serious about building a long-term sustainable business online, I've got some free affiliate marketing training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.